I just replaced a battery in a vehicle, and I figure I'd give you guys a quick tip on what I do to keep the battery terminals from corroding. Let's get to it. Alright, I'm on location. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. Out here in the desert, I don't have to deal with corrosion too much except for battery terminals. For some reason, the acid inside these batteries will attack the metal and just create a big glob of mess. Now, in order to keep that from happening, what I do, take some tune-up dielectric grease, and I learned this from Honda. This is what they do. Just apply it liberally. I already did that one. Get down where the post meets the battery, and obviously I already made the connections, so they're good and tight. I'm doing this after I made all the connections, but just coat it with dielectric grease. And from what I've seen, I've had no issues on batteries that I treat. Now this is my car, and so I treated this, I've replaced the battery like 4 years ago. Out here in the desert we don't get much more than 3 years on these batteries, and there wasn't one speck of corrosion, so I know it works. And on vehicles that are only gone like maybe 1 or 2 years that don't do anything, corrosion all over the place, and we got to clean it all up and make some mess. So, well, there you go. That's my secret on how to prevent battery terminals from corroding, and I found it works really well. I've not had any issues using it. If you have a tip or a trick on how to do it, make sure to let me know in the comments. I know there are other products you can use. There are spray types or little round discs that you can put on there. I'm not a huge fan of those. The spray ones can really make a mess, especially the red stuff. So I really don't like that stuff. The dielectric grease can make a little bit of a mess, but it's easy to wipe off. And it's, for the most part, it's clear. That's why I like it. And obviously it works well. The discs can sometimes get in the way of the terminals going all the way down and being able to tighten up, especially in the case of Honda battery terminals. They don't like to tighten up with those discs in the way. But in any event, hey, if this little tip helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.